These packaged gas furnaces are made in Mexico by Nortec Global HVAC, and the units are only available through dealers in the USA. All of the units feature all aluminum microchannel coils that resist corrosion, but they use a wire grill with a plastic mesh screen to protect the condenser coil. That does not do very much to protect the coil fins from mechanical damage due to hail or debris from lawnmowers. They have installed filter dryers to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The brand is backed by a very good warranty that includes a lifetime guarantee on the heat exchanger and a 1-year quality pledge where the entire unit is replaced if the compressor or heat exchanger fails within 1 year of installation. The basic R8GE models combine a single-stage 14-SEER air conditioner with a single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace with a fixed-speed blower motor, while the R8HE-A model has a 2-stage 95% AFUE furnace. The R8HE units have a 2-stage gas valve as well as a 2-stage inducer motor and a variable speed blower motor. They use hot surface ignition and have a smart control that learns the characteristic of the system and adjusts the ignition timing to extend the life of the igniter. The DF6SF models are ultimate dual fuel units that pair a 15-SEER 8H SPF heat pump with a 2-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace. The heat pumps have 2-stage operation and use demand defrost, which minimizes unnecessary defrost cycles.